अस्सलामुअलैकुम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एक्सरसाइज 11B स्टार्ट करते हैं। फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ द अननोन इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेक्टेंगल। वी हैव गिवन द रेक्टेंगल। फर्स्ट वी हैव टू नो about the properties of the rectangle. In rectangle, all the sides A, B, C, this side having the angle 90 degree, this complete angle will be 90 degree. Means that DAB angle, DAB, the central angle A is 90 degree. This will also be 90 degree. This is also be 90 degree. The complete angle BCD, this complete angle will be 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. So in properties of rectangle, it is that the angles at point A, at point B, at point C, at point D will be 90 degree. So I am considering at point C. At point C, as we know that the angle C means that BCD, this angle must be equal to 90 degree. So this angle is divided into two parts, which is angle A plus 54 degree. It means that angle A plus 54 degree, the sum of angle A plus 54 degree will make 90 degree. So to find the value of A will be 90 minus 54. So A will be 90 minus 54. It will be 90 minus 54, 10, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 36. The angle will be 36 degree. Now finding the second unknown. The second unknown is B. To find B, we will consider a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B plus this will be 90 degree. 90 degree plus 54 degree will make 180 degree. So to find B, we have to subtract 180 minus 90 minus 54. So it will be now 180 minus 90, 90, 90 minus 54. When we subtract 90 by 54, then it will be 90 minus 54, 10, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 36 degree. So it will be 36 degree. So B will also be 36 degree, or we can say that we have studied a rule when two sides are parallel, means that as this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. So on two parallel line, a transversal line, this line making Z with these two lines, means that this line and these are making Z, and in Z the alternate angles means that A must be equal to B. So A must be equal to B, and we are saying that A is equal to B, both are 36 degree. So moving to the second part. In this part we have also a rectangle, and we know that at the vertices the angle is 90 degree. The angle will be 90 degree at the vertices, all the vertices. So first we will find this angle. We have to find D and C. So first we will consider this triangle E, B and C. Triangle E, B, C. Triangle. Considering a triangle E, B, C. In this triangle, the sum of angle C, the sum of angle 39 plus 90 degree. C 39 and 90 degree make 180 degree. So C will be equal to 180 minus 90 minus 39. So it will be 90 minus 39. So it will be 90 minus 39. Now when we will cancel 10 with 9, the answer will be 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 51. The angle will be 51 degree. So the first unknown C is 51 degree. Now we have to find the angle D. To find the angle D, we will first find this angle by subtracting 39 with 90 degree. When we will get this angle, then we will take this triangle, and the sum of all the angles is 180 degree. So I am considering it as y. So at vertex C, the sum of y plus 39 will be 90 degree. So y will be equal to 90 minus 39. Y will be equal to 90 minus 39, and the 90 minus 39 is 51 degree. So here we can see, you can see that in rectangle this side is parallel to this side, and this line is making z with this lines, with this line is making z with these two parallel lines, so means that like this. So this angle must be equal to this angle, as as we have C 51 degree, and we have calculated y, which is also 51 degree. So we don't need to find this y in this method. You can only write that C is equals to y degree, which is 51 degree, and or you can also find in this method. So these two angles are equal, so y and C are 51 degree. Now considering a triangle DCE, now considering a triangle DCE, in this triangle angle D plus y plus 78 will make 180 degree. So here D plus y is 51 plus 78 will make 180 degree. So D will be equal to 180 minus 78 minus 51. D will be equal to 180 minus 8 or 1 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 129, and D will be equal to 180 minus 129, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 51 degree. D will be equal to 51 degree. So we have to find two unknowns, C and D. C is 51 degree and D is also 51 degree. So this is the question number 1. In next video we will solve the next question. Assalamu alaikum.